Bodies of two teenagers found in bushes in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An air of gloom is now hanging over the Seven Heights community in Maple, Clarendon, since the discovery of two teenagers, including a schoolboy, were found in bushes in the area on Friday. The deceased has so far been identified as 17-year-old Jason White alias MJ, a student of the Central High School in Maple, Clarendon, and 19-year-old Lyndon Brown alias Tickle, both of Seven Heights. According to reports, the bodies of the teenagers were discovered by residents around 2:35 p.m. on Friday. The bodies had what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds. The police were alerted and the bodies were subsequently moved to the morgue, where post-mortem examination will be conducted at a later date. The police are urging anyone with information relative to the death of the teenagers is being asked to contact the nearest police station or the Maple Police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.